Did you know that the demand for data scientists has grown by over 650% since 2012, and the average salary for a data scientist in the United States is around $120,000 per year? Data science isn't just a buzzword, it's a booming field with incredible financial potential and endless opportunities. Hello and welcome to our YouTube series, Free Data Science Course for Beginners. We are the expert team of data scientists at Orage Technologies who are thrilled to guide you through this exciting and rewarding journey into the world of data science. Whether you're looking to switch careers, enhance your current skill set, or simply explore a new passion, this course is designed to help you build a strong foundation in data science from the ground up. No prior experience needed. Here's a sneak peek at what we'll be covering throughout this course. 1. Introduction to data science. What is data science? The role of a data scientist. Applications of data science in various industries. 2. Python for data science. Setting up your Python environment. Basic Python programming. Data structures and libraries, NumPy, Pandas. 3. Data collection and cleaning, importing data from different sources. Data cleaning techniques. Handling missing data. 4. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Descriptive statistics. Data visualization techniques, Matplotlib, Seaborn. Identifying patterns and insights. 5. Introduction to machine learning. Understanding machine learning. Supervised versus unsupervised learning. Building your first machine learning model. 6. Supervised learning algorithms. Linear regression. Logistic regression. Decision trees and random forest. 7. Unsupervised learning algorithms. Clustering techniques, K-means, hierarchical. Dimensionality reduction, PCA. 8. Model evaluation and optimization. Evaluating model performance, accuracy, precision, recall. Cross-validation techniques. Hyperparameter tuning. 9. Introduction to deep learning. Basics of neural networks. Introduction to TensorFlow and Keras. Building simple neural network models. 10. Practical projects and case studies, real-world data science projects. End-to-end data science workflow. Presenting and communicating your results. Throughout the course, we'll have real-world examples and practical projects to ensure you can apply what you learn immediately. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to start your own data science projects, contribute to your organization's data-driven decisions, or even prepare for a career as a data scientist. So, are you ready to unlock the power of data and transform your career? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me as we embark on this data science adventure together.